Excuse me, Dr. Novelli?
Victor, this isn't the Mayo Clinic. Call me John.
John. Okay. See, I'm admitting this elderly woman, Mrs. Carson, and she's having these spasms. She's dusky, pale, sweaty.
Dr. Novelli to trauma room 3. Dr. Novelli.
Yes, okay. Trauma room 3.
Hey, watch your back. Look out.
Watch it. Hurry up.
EKG, blood gas, chest X-ray are all okay, but she's so scared, doctor. She keeps screaming, "I'm falling, don't leave me." See, I gave her 5 Haldol IM earlier. And she's worse. I don't know, was it too much Haldol or not enough? The nurses want me to intubate her, but
Where's your resident?
He's up in ICU putting in his form.
Look, you're a doctor. Start acting like one. You've got your data. Use your judgment.
Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. I played a doctor on TV once, but I tell you, that Dr. Victor Davidson would recommend CB's Black Eyed Peas in honor of Kwanzaa and New Year's Day. We're making them so that we can be successful throughout the year, because you know that's the tradition, right? You'll be doing that after eating CB's Black Eyed Peas. As you can see, I took some Black Eyed Peas that I soaked overnight. There's some onions, some carrots, big old thyme sprig there, garlic, whole jalapeno, a couple of bay leaves, some chicken stock, which I also used with water, some Slap Your Mama, of course, and I had a ham bone that I froze from Thanksgiving from Honey Baked, and I thawed that out and used it. The extra ham that I sliced, that's that there. I threw all of that in there, started off with some extra virgin olive oil, and gently sauteed the diced onions, not fine dice as you can see, as well as the carrots. Threw the thyme sprig in there as well. Stirred it around for about a minute just to get the process going. Then I added the water and the chicken stock. I think it's about 6 cups total, but I might have added a little bit more than that. And my herbs, there goes the jalapeno, the garlic, which I peeled, smashed, but I didn't dice up, a couple of the bay leaves, and Slap Your Mama, just a little bit. Ham is very salty, so there goes the ham from the ham bone, and there goes the ham bone itself. Ham bone, have you heard? Wanted to try to cover it, and there go the stars, the Black Eyed Peas. Now you're going to want to bring it up to a simmer. Basically, it's about 3 hours. You're just going to bring it up to a boil, reduce to a simmer, and let them go low and slow for 3+ hours. Look at that. Meat falling off the ham bone. Beans getting tender, or peas. So after about the 2.5 hour mark, I took out some of the beans and I smashed them. I saw that with Smoking and Grilling with AB, his YouTube channel. So good. So to thicken up the soup, or to thicken up the Black Eyed Peas, I took out about a half to a cup of them, smashed them up as you can see, and then added them back in, and that helped to thicken it, give it more texture, a little bit more body. In they go. And give it a stir. Basically just letting it cook down. About another half hour, 45 minutes later, take out the thyme sprig, took out the jalapeno, the garlic, the bay leaves, and waited for the magic to happen. Look at that. These were so good. I am going to make so many more black eyed peas on New Year's Day. This was my first time out, but boy, oh boy, it won't be my last. I'll tell you that right about now. I hope you make these. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, or just subscribe. I'm just appreciative of you watching. Thank you so much. Happy New Year, everybody, and we'll see you next time. Get it, girl.